Looking for the best 3D printer for your young creator? In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best 3D printers for kids of 2026, featuring safe, easy-to-use, and beginner-friendly models that make learning and creativity fun. Whether your child is interested in STEM education, designing toys, or exploring 3D printing for the first time, these top picks offer excellent print quality, smart features, and reliable performance for every skill level.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. Creality K2 Pro Combo, A 3D printer. The Creality K2 Pro Combo is a premium Core XY 3D printer built for creators, professionals, and advanced hobbyists who need speed, precision, and multicolor printing. It features a 300 by 300 by 300 mm build volume, 600 mm per second print speed, and an included CFS smart filament system for multi-material and up to 16 color printing. With automatic bed leveling, a 60 degrees Celsius heated chamber, dual AI cameras, and a durable direct drive extruder, it delivers reliable, high-quality prints with materials ranging from PLA to carbon fiber composites. Its smart features, remote connectivity, and high-speed performance make it an excellent choice for demanding 3D printing projects. Number 2. FlashForge Creator 5 3D Printer. The FlashForge Creator 5 is a powerful Core XY 3D printer designed for fast, efficient multicolor and multi-material printing. Its 4 independent toolheads eliminate color mixing and dramatically reduce filament waste, while 7-second flash swap technology enables quick tool changes without lengthy purge cycles. With print speeds of up to 600 mm per second, automatic calibration, vibration compensation, and support for materials like PLA, PETG, TPU, and carbon fiber composites, it delivers excellent print quality and reliable performance. The Creator 5 is an excellent choice for makers and professionals who want clean multi-material printing with minimal waste and high productivity. Number 3. Original Prusa XL 5 Toolhead. The original Prusa XL 5 toolhead is a premium large-format Core XY 3D printer built for professional multi-material and multicolor printing. Its 5 independent toolheads allow seamless printing with up to 5 different materials or colors while producing almost no filament waste during tool changes. Featuring a 360 by 360 by 360 mm build volume, automatic bed leveling, segmented heated bed, and the reliable Nextruder system, it delivers exceptional print quality and precision. Integrated with the Prusa ecosystem, including Prusa Slicer and Prusa Connect, the XL is an outstanding choice for engineers, designers, and professionals who need reliable, high-quality, large-scale 3D printing. Number 4. QIDI Q2 Combo Multicolor 3D Printer. The QIDI Q2 Combo is a feature-packed enclosed Core XY 3D printer designed for high-speed, multicolor, and engineering-grade printing. It offers a 270 by 270 by 256 mm build volume, 600 mm per second print speed, a 370 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzle, and a 65 degrees Celsius actively heated chamber, making it ideal for materials like PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, nylon, PC, and carbon fiber composites. The included QIDI box supports up to 16 color printing, while features such as AI camera monitoring, automatic bed leveling, triple air filtration, and remote connectivity provide a smooth and reliable printing experience. It's an excellent choice for makers and professionals seeking fast, versatile, and high-quality 3D printing, though some reviewers have noted that the QIDI box may require further refinement for consistent multicolor performance. Number 5. AOSEED AI 3D Printer for Kids. The AOSEED XMaker Joy AI Plus is a beginner-friendly 3D printer designed specifically for kids, combining safety, simplicity, and AI-powered creativity. With an enclosed design, automatic bed leveling, Wi-Fi app control, and print speeds of up to 400 mm per second, it makes 3D printing easy for young creators. The printer includes access to 8000 plus ready-to-print models, AI tools for generating custom designs, a built-in camera for remote monitoring, and 8 rolls of PLA filament to get started right away. Its quiet operation, child-safe construction, and easy one-click printing make it an excellent STEM learning tool for homes and classrooms, helping kids turn creative ideas into real objects with minimal setup.